How to terminate an employee in Xero is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, navigate to the payroll section in your Xero account and select the Employees tab. From here, find the employee you want to terminate and click on their name to open their employee profile. In the employee profile, click on the Employment tab and then select the Terminate Employment option. You will be prompted to enter the date of termination, which is the last day the employee will be working for your company. Next, you will need to choose the reason for termination from the drop-down menu. This can be voluntary resignation, redundancy, or another reason. You will also need to specify whether the employee is eligible for notice pay and if so, how many weeks of notice pay they are entitled to. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click the Terminate Employment button to complete the process. Xero will then update the employee's status to terminated and stop any future pay runs for that employee. It is also important to note that you should ensure all necessary payroll and tax obligations are met when terminating an employee. This includes paying out any accrued leave and ensuring the employee's final pay is processed correctly. Best practice is to also keep a record of the termination, including the reason for termination and any notice pay or leave entitlements. This can be done by saving a copy of the termination details in the employee's profile or in a separate file. By following these steps, you can easily terminate an employee in Xero and ensure that all necessary payroll and tax obligations are met. It is also a good idea to consult with a payroll professional or accountant if you are unsure about any aspect of the termination process.